Ubuntu Touch OTA 2.0 is here, a major step forward for the open source mobile operating system. The UBports Foundation has officially released Ubuntu Touch 24.04-2.0, commonly referred to as OTA 2.0. This is a significant feature update built on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Noble Nubet base, continuing the project's focus on privacy, freedom, and a fully free mobile experience for smartphones and tablets. So now, what's new in OTA 2.0? One of the biggest improvements is the Morph Browser. Its engine has been upgraded from the very old Chromium 87 to Chromium 134. This brings much better compatibility with modern websites and web apps. Alongside that, there is now an installer for Widevine DRM support, which lets you play protected video content in the browser. Note that this installer is not officially endorsed by Google, and users should be aware of the legal considerations around it. The interface also gets practical upgrades. Ubuntu Touch can now properly handle display notches and rounded corners on supported device, so that system elements no longer get hidden under those areas. This currently works on devices like the Fairphone 4 and 5, various Volla phones, and some others after device specific configuration. A new screenshot editor has been added to the Lomiri shell. After taking a screenshot, you can crop, rotate, and adjust colors before saving or sharing. There is also full printing support, which can be enabled through system settings if you need it. Other useful changes include better support for older X11 based apps from the Open Store, improved mobile data reliability, a smarter network indicator that handles wired connections through docks, Georgian language support on the keyboard, and more than 2000 new emojis with variant options, such as different skin tones. User data encryption has also moved out of experimental status on newer devices that supports fscrypt version 2. As usual, the release includes various bug fixes and security updates. Now, about the supported devices. Because the update needs more system storage space, not every previously supported device receives OTA 2.0 right away. The current list includes models such as the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, FX Pro 1X, Fairphone 4 and 5, ThinkPad A1, Lenovo Tab M10 HT 2nd Gen, OnePlus Nord N10 5G and N100, Rabbit R1, Sony Xperia X, several Volla phones, including Quntus and Plinus, various Xiaomi models like the Poco X3, Redmi 9 series and Redmi Note 9, and the newly added Zinwa X25. UBports is continuing work to bring the update to more devices in later 24.04-2.x releases. So now, how to update? Existing users should update in two steps. First, install the maintenance update, which is 24.04-1.4, which includes preparation for the bigger jump. Then, upgrade to 24.04-2.0 through system settings, then update. New users can find installation instructions for their devices on the official Ubuntu Touch Devices site. A parallel, smaller update, 24.04-1.4, is also available for those who prefer to stay on the previous series for now. Now, looking ahead, Ubuntu Touch continues to evolve as a community-driven alternative that prioritizes user control and open source principles. This release addresses long-standing web compatibility issues and brings the system closer to modern hardware expectations. There are still some known limitations, such as software-based video decoding in the new browser and incomplete notch handling in landscape mode, but the overall progress is clear. If you own a supported device, this is a worthwhile update that makes daily use smoother and more capable. Check the official UBports announcement for the full details, known issues, and the latest device status. This release shows the project is steadily moving forward, one practical improvement at a time. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.